Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope आप सब लोग स्वस्थ होंगे, तंदुरुस्त होंगे. So in today's vlog, I'm just gonna be breaking down 8 different ways to make money with zero investment while sitting at your home. And that anyone could make money even if they only have really basic skills. So without further ado, let's get into these ideas. Start your YouTube channel and make money. So my first idea is to start a YouTube channel. Channel start करने से पहले काफी questions होते हैं हमारे मन में. Isn't it pretty much a gamble? Whether or not your channel will be a successful one? So let me answer all these questions. Yes, it's a gamble. Whether or not your channel become really successful. But I truly believe that by constantly posting good quality content, anyone can attract several thousand subscribers. So there's no guarantee that आपका चैनल जो है वो बहुत सक्सेसफुल होगा या आप सुपर फेमस हो जाएंगे and you'll get millions of subscribers. But consistency and delivering good quality content is the key to become successful in YouTube. And you can make a pretty good money. So if you have good communication skills and great ideas in your mind, go for it. Be a freelance writer and make money. Though writing is not something which everyone can do, but if you have good writing skills, there are many different websites which connect freelance writers with people who are interested in hiring freelance writers. And some of my favorites are Fiverr, Elance, Guru, Upwork and Freelancer.com. So depending on your skill levels, you will be paid a different amount of money for each writing assignment that you complete. So if you have a unique writing style and a great writing skill, I must say you go for it. Sell your photographs and make money. फोटोग्राफी का शौक हम सबको होता है, लेकिन क्या आपको मालूम है कि आप अपने कैमरा से खींची हुई फोटोग्राफ्स को बेच भी सकते हैं? Yes. Obviously, there are millions of photographers in your city, and if you try to become a photographer, कुछ marketing issues आ सकते हैं, depending upon how big the city you live in. But बहुत सारी websites ऐसी हैं who are looking for such high quality photographs. और ऐसी high quality photographs आजकल बहुत ही demand में हैं. You can sell your photographs at Shutterbug, SmugMug, Photomula, Koina Photo, and these websites have their own themes. For more information, you can just check their websites. They stock up the photos from photographers and pay them a fixed amount per photo that they upload. और जितनी बार वो फोटो डाउनलोड की जाएगी, you will be getting the royalty for that photograph. And with time, आपकी photography skills और improve होंगी, तो आप अपनी photographs का चार्ज भी रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. So अपने photography के शौक को एक करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी में कन्वर्ट कीजिए. गो फॉर इट. यू कैन ऑल्सो टीच ऑनलाइन एंड मेक मनी. अगर आप डायरेक्टली चाहें ऑनलाइन टीचिंग करना, तो दैट विल बी क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू बिकॉज इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट पीपल हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन इट. सो इट कैन बी रियली टफ. सो अगर आप ऑनलाइन टीच करने का कोई इजी वे चाहते हैं, तो आई रिकमेंड दैट यू टीच फॉर अ थर्ड पार्टी प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक वेदांतु, ट्यूटर विस्ता एंड पियर्सन. Because these websites already have active users who are spending their time and money on it. So instead of you going out and searching for people who are interested, you can just upload your courses on these websites and make money. So take your passion for teaching to the next level. Go for it. You can also do online reselling and make money. You can also earn money by reselling the products of private label brands all over India. You just have to download the app from Play Store and start reselling lakhs of trendy products on social media platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and earn high profit margins. Some of the apps you can download are Glowroad, Shop 101, and Meesho. आप क्लोथ्स की रीसेलिंग कर सकते हैं, फुटवेयर की रीसेलिंग कर सकते हैं, डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स की रीसेलिंग कर सकते हैं, टॉयज, बैग्स, ज्वेलरी, एनीथिंग यू वांट यू कैन रीसेल दीज प्रोडक्ट्स। और सबसे खास बात ऑनलाइन रीसेलिंग की ये है कि आपको कुछ भी स्टॉक करने की जरूरत नहीं है। सो गो फॉर इट। कंप्लीट द सर्विस ऑनलाइन एंड मेक मनी। There are several companies which pay you for doing the surveys for their products and services. Some of the best survey sites are Opinion World, Toluna, and Viewfruit India. Participate in online surveys and make money on completion of each survey. This is also a good way to make money online, basically for beginners. However, कुछ ऐसी फेक एंड फ्रॉड कंपनीज भी होती हैं जो आपको सर्वे के बाद पे नहीं करती हैं. So you just need to verify before signing up for any company. Another way of making money with zero investment is blogging. Blogging is also one of the best ways to make money while sitting comfortably on your sofa. For blogging, you only need a website which you can get paid from. Some of the best blogging sites are Fiverr, Blogger, WordPress, and tumblr.com. Here you get paid through Google AdSense. आपके ब्लॉग में शो होने वाले एड्स पर जितने ज्यादा क्लिक्स आएंगे उतनी ही ज्यादा मनी यू विल गेट. इसके लिए भी YouTube की तरह you just need to drag a lot of traffic to your blogs. So if you are confident enough, just go for it. Make easy money through data entry work. Data entry is the simplest and easiest way to make money online while sitting at your home. इसके लिए आपको चाहिए एक कंप्यूटर, फास्ट इंटरनेट स्पीड, फास्ट टाइपिंग स्किल्स और MS ऑफिस की अच्छी नॉलेज. Some of the best sites for data entry work are Freelance and simplyhired.com. आपको जो टाइम शेड्यूल सूट करे आप उसी टाइम शेड्यूल पे अपना काम कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए आपको फ्रीलांस साइट्स पे प्रोफाइल क्रिएट करना है एंड स्टार्ट योर वर्क एंड मेक मनी. So this was my today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I would love to have you join me in my next video. So till then, stay home, stay safe and keep asking your life, okay, now what? अब मैं आपको छोड़ के जा रही हूँ अपने कुछ व्लॉग्स के साथ. सो जस्ट क्लिक, वॉच एंड एंजॉय.